we have the Microbe, and that's an interesting name to say the least. Maxim Epiphancev design, and I don't know why I did that. I don't know. 14C 28N blade with gray stone wash finish, aluminum handle, and a button liner lock. So yeah, that's the kind of sauce right there. Button liner locks all day. Sign me up. All right, let's check it out here. And with the name Microbe, that thing is looking very small there. No, that's not what she said. We got paperwork, right? Wiping cloth, sticker, hardware, like we said earlier. And let's take a look at the knife here, the Microbe, right? Obviously, Microbes are very small. This is a very small knife. Ha, you know, you get the joke, right? See what's going on there? Absolutely. Let's take a look. Now we said aluminum on the handle, and definitely feels nice and cold to the touch. I know I didn't get both variants, but I do know there is a different variant that has thumb studs. So this one has an opening hole, and honestly, this is more my cup of tea, if I'm being honest. So opening hole in this one. Another variant has a thumb stud, if I'm not mistaken. And so far, I'm really liking the sort of wavy pattern here to the handle. We have a similar, almost half circle, half moon sort of button here for the button operated liner lock. Definitely reminds me quite a bit of the same button implemented on the Sheepdog utility knife that we looked at here recently. This one has been a user here. As you can see, I got some gunk on the blade there, and I've been really enjoying button operated liner locks lately. This button works for me. It is functional, and Kizer has a way of putting it in a very recessed spot, right? So it actually lines up with the handle, but it has its own sort of housing in there. So I like that a lot. But let's go ahead and get it deployed here, by the way. Deep pocket carry clip that is reversible, as you would expect. And bada bing, bada boom, bam. All right, there is the blade. Let me do that again. Hold on a second. Now it is a little bit of a smaller knife if you got big old bear paws, right? That's something you want to keep in mind there. But yeah, definitely fires out of there. And oh man, listen, we often talk about hand melting ergos in the channel here, and it doesn't get better than a fixed blade with no pocket clip. But sometimes, in folding knives, designers find a way to really make it contour to the hand. And this part back here getting a little bit thicker. We got all these different curvatures here. So index finger choil situation there, right? All other fingers follow suit. That absolutely works. Now it is going to be a very small knife. We're looking at 2.19 inches, by the way. So that is what we're working with. Yeah, this is going to be great for EDC. I'll tell you that. If you're looking for a knife that's not going to be too intimidating around the office or what have you, this one will absolutely do that, no doubt. Now check out the jimping. It goes all the way from here, all the way to the front. They didn't even bother taking a break like some companies do halfway through. Yeah, none of that. You can put your thumb here, 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 anywhere here, right? You are good to go. Of course, they worked on the plunge grind situation there, which again, that is the way to do a plunge grind. A little bit of beef I had with the Tycho, right, is the fact that I didn't do a great plunge grind on it. Right, that was about the only thing I nitpicked on that knife. But yeah, that's a heck of a plunge grind situation there. So you'll be able to sharpen this guy without getting a smile for a long time to come. And we have checked out a few of Maxim Epiphantev's designs in the past, and they have all been really impressive. This one here, very nice. Of course, you can use a button to deploy, open and close, right? That spidey flick is going to be where it's at. Thumb deployment of the hole, you can absolutely do that all day. Again, I have average size hands, and I'm actually trying to get a grip here so the knife doesn't go flying out of my hand. You can also do a lefty, right? Of course, you can reverse the pocket clip. So trying to showcase my non-dexterity left hand here for my lefties out there. The answer is yes. You can use this knife without an issue. You would just use your index finger for the button instead of your thumb if you're a righty. But what an interesting small little knife here for EDC. Plenty of blade for most tasks, unboxing packages and things like that. Just everyday carry stuff, unless you're outside tearing down the jungle or something, right? Really, sometimes you don't need more than this. We like longer blades with longer cutting path, but let's be honest, how often do we really use them? That is up for debate. In most cases, man, something like this, pretty much all you need depending on the scenario. So we have a flat grind and we have 14C 28N steel. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.